Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix the alt+ not working in Windows 11. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, in this video tutorial I will share a couple of methods to fix this type of error. The first method is that right click on a start menu and go to your task manager. Open Task Manager and scroll down and find out a Windows Explorer. Now here is the Windows Explorer. Right click, click on Restart. After that, I hope your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a registry editor. Open registry editor, right click, run as administrator. After opening that, select a H key current user. Select a control panel and expand it. After doing this, select a desktop. After doing this step, select a foreground lock timeout. Select a value data is 0 and select OK. Close the registry editor and restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. But if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that in the search box type a sysdm.cpl. Open it, click on a hardware. Go to your advanced options. Go to your settings, select a customs and select a, make sure that is selected a unable peak. So in my case is already checked it. So checked it, click on apply and OK button. After doing this step, restart your computer, and I'm sure that after restarting your computer your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching and please subscribe my YouTube channel.